Hey everyone! Today's video will be a no hoopla tutorial on how to replace your turn signal switch on your classic pony. Let's all stay safe out there, so stick around. Alright, let's get to the nitty gritty. 3 screws are retaining the turn signal switch, which you have to remove in order to wiggle this thing out. You're going to notice that the harness is on the outside of the column. I think this is specifically only for 69, maybe 70 models, not sure. But I know in the earlier models, the harness goes all the way through the steering wheel column. And it's going to be on the end, it's going to be on the bottom of the dash. So it's a little harder to get out. But luckily, with the 69 model, is on the outside and it makes our lives way easier. To remove all the pins from the harness plastic connector. Now, I use the pin. Okay, don't be me. Use a specific tool designed for this job. It took me around an hour just to get all those pins out because, I mean, it's an old piece and I didn't want to ruin it. But like I said, they do offer the tool specifically for this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to try to fish these out, okay, one by one. These little pins are like hooks, like fish hooks. So you just have to push the little pin inwards in order for it to release. Like I said before, don't be me, okay? I tried to do it the hard way and it took me a long time and it caused a lot of frustration. So you can see here, I have one more pin left and hopefully it's gonna be pretty quick and painless. Alright, now that the turn signal switch is on, just verifying that all the wires are not bunched up, so just wiggling them a little bit. You're going to notice that sometimes they do bunch up and you're just going to have to do them one by one, but luckily in the 69 model it's on the outside of the steering column, so that's definitely a good thing. And now just kind of verifying that the emergency flasher button works, just kind of inspecting everything, making sure that the wires are not ripped, no connectors are loose. And also it just looks really nice and looks very pretty. Bright new colors. Alright, so now we're gonna look at the connector at the bottom of the harness, making sure to connect all the appropriate wires where they're supposed to be. This is a very easy task. I just took a picture as I just showed you, putting all that back together. I mean, there are manuals out there that show you where the wires will connect, but it's fairly straightforward. One thing to note is that the cables, the wires, are different colors. They're still going to be very similar, but they're going to be a little different. So just keep that in mind. Blue might be a little darker blue, but blue is blue, right? So you'll be fine. And then here I'm just playing around with the switch now that I have connected everything. Don't mind me, you know, just having fun. Just having fun. And that's going to conclude this video. I mean, very straightforward. Don't be intimidated about the job. It's very, very easy. So here's a before and here's an after. Alright guys, if you liked the video, please push the subscribe button. Thank you.